Hello, I am Thinev. My brother made 2 videos about the purple sunbird and purple rumped sunbird. Today I'll be talking about the Lotens sunbird. It is a medium-sized sunbird who is 12 to 13 centimeters long with a deeply curved bill. It is named after John Loten, who was the Dutch governor of colonial Ceylon, also known as the long-billed sunbird or maroon-breasted sunbird. It is a sunbird endemic to India and Sri Lanka. Glossy purple male is larger and longer billed than somewhat similar purple sunbird. Female with her white underparts and dark grey upper parts, it is unmistakable. Lotens sunbird calls are like it is also feeding on insects, worms and other invertebrates and builds characteristic hanging nests. Found in both wooded and habitats and more open areas, including around human habitation. The male Lotens sunbird visit our garden almost every day. So I have seen Lotens sunbirds almost all the time, and for me they are common. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the bared button quill.